Dreaming of that classic V-taper physique, a wide, powerful back paired with a narrow, defined waist? It's not just about genetics, it's about strategy, consistency, and the right workouts. Let's break it down step by step. Number 1. Master the wide grip pull-up. This exercise is a game changer for building a wider back. Focus on full range of motion and controlled movements to target your lats effectively. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Number 2. Bent over barbell rows. This compound movement works your entire back, especially the thickness of your lats and traps. Keep your core tight and back straight as you pull the barbell toward your lower chest. Do 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Number 3. Lat pull-downs. Using a wide grip, this machine exercise mimics the pull-up motion and helps isolate your lats. Focus on squeezing your back muscles at the bottom of each rep. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Number 4. Deadlifts. Not just for your back, deadlifts work your entire posterior chain, helping you build a strong, wide back while also burning fat. Keep your form strict and go heavy for 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Number 5. Dumbbell pullovers. This underrated exercise stretches and targets your lats, helping to create that wide, sweeping look. Use a controlled tempo and aim for 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Number 6. Don't forget your core. A narrow waist is key to the V-taper illusion. Incorporate core exercises like side planks, hanging leg raises, and cable wood choppers to define your obliques without bulking them up. Number 7. Add cardio for fat loss. To reveal your hard-earned muscles, incorporate height or steady-state cardio to burn fat and keep your waistline lean. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions per week. Number 8. Fuel your body right. Building a V-taper isn't just about workouts, it's about nutrition too. Focus on lean proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats to support muscle growth and fat loss. Number 9. Recover smart. Stretching and foam rolling can improve flexibility, reduce soreness, and help you maintain proper form in your workouts. Don't skip recovery, it's essential for progress. Number 10. Be consistent. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a V-taper physique. Stick to your plan, track your progress, and stay patient. The results will come. Building a V-taper body is all about balancing wide back development with a lean, narrow waist. With these workouts, proper nutrition, and consistency, you'll be turning heads in no time. Let's get to work. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see more workout tips.